Hey guys, if you follow my channel at all, you know that I bake a lot of sourdough, and this is one of the pans that I use to bake my sourdough. You can see that it is really kind of had it. It's stained, and I think that those stains are baked in from the high temperatures at long periods of time. You know, baking sourdough, your oven is up to 500 degrees for hours at a time. So what it is you use 1 part bleach to 4 parts water, and you let it soak overnight. So I'm going to pour in 2 cups of bleach, and then I'll need 8 cups of water, and I'm just going to let this soak overnight. Put the lid on it, why not? And we'll hope for the best. Okay guys, so it's the next morning, and I am ready to get up and make myself a cup of coffee, but I want to get this out of my way in the sink, and I thought I would try to catch the reveal on camera with you to see what it's going to look like inside. Hopefully the bleach has worked and my pot looks good. Let's check it out. All right, let's dump this out and see. Okay. Wow. I don't know what that is at the bottom there, but a lot of the stains come out. I think I might just go ahead and put some more bleach in there and soak it a little more, and we'll see what it turns out like. So I found another one of my Dutch ovens that I use for my sourdough bread baking, and this one doesn't have that damage to the bottom of it like the blue one does. So I think this might show the results even better than the blue one did. So I'm gonna try the bleach water in this one and see what kind of results we get. So I'm gonna do the same 1 part to 4 parts. So it's been about 10 hours that my Dutch oven has been soaking with the bleach water, and I'm going to dump it out, and hopefully we'll see a pretty good result that these stains have lifted. Okay, well, I'd say it looks a whole lot better than it did before. Whoops, if you can see, I'm not watching the camera real well. So it lifted the stains pretty darn well. All the little stains that were along the edges here and the sides have gone. The bottom still has a little bit of discoloration, but gosh, I'd say that looks really nice. You can see still up on the edges where the water level didn't get, that there's just a little bit of discoloration. Gosh, I don't know. I just can't stop. I kind of feel like I want to put a little more bleach in and just let it soak some more, maybe overnight. I've kind of not liked not having my sink all day. I am keeping these pots in the sink because I don't trust myself. This is a lot of concentrated bleach, and I sure don't want to ruin my clothes or anything in the kitchen. So keeping them down in the sink like this, I think, is going to help prevent any bleach splashes or wrecking of any clothes. This one, let me see, trying to get it in frame here, is still a little discolored. That is just, I have no clue. I've never seen anything like it. Like I said, it is kind of the shape of the loaf of bread that I made, but it's beyond me what that stain is and why it's not lifting after all this time, because it's been a good 24 hours now. I think last night sometime around this time I started with the bleach water. So why not? Actually, you know what? I've used up almost all of this bleach now. I'm just going to take this bleach water and put it in here and let that sit overnight. And well, gosh, maybe it is looking a little better. Anyway, I'm okay with this, honestly. As long as it still works. I don't know that it's really going to lift off a whole lot more than that, but still better looking than what it was. Okay, so we'll check this one out in the morning, see if we get any more lift on it, and then call it a day. Okay guys, so now it's been the full 24 hours, and I'm going to dump the water and see how that little bit of discoloration on the bottom of the pan. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Okay. So there it is, a whole lot better than it looked before. This time of day the lighting's not so hot. But I will try to do a side-by-side too, so you can compare what the pot looked like before soaking and after. Okay, so you see this? I think that's just the enamel wearing off, maybe. I don't think it's stained. I don't think that will come out. I mean, who knows? Maybe I'll try something and scrub it a little more. But I can't complain about the results there of the bleach and water. I mean, it's as simple as just letting your pan soak. How easy. So anyway, okay. So I am going to cut it short. And thank you for watching the video, and I hope you find this helpful and give it a try for yourself. If you did find this helpful, please consider giving the video a like and consider subscribing to my channel. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you'll be notified the next time I post a video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.